SatNav Group, pioneer and leaders in GPS market and navigation products, have come up with an innovative product called SatGuide Tracker. It is a GSM, GPRS and GPS based tracker. It is the smallest tracking device, which is like a matchbox size, and it has got a multiple usage. With this particular device you'll get a power adapter, and a power adapter wherein there will be an extra battery that is given, and if you are going to connect it with a continuous power supply into the vehicle, it is given with a hardware charger wherein there is two options here, wherein one option goes into this particular device over here and the other two goes to the vehicle power supply. So going into the features of it, this is basically a GSM based as well as the GPS based tracking system. So with this, basically what you can do is, even the vehicle goes indoors, then also you can track it. So the tracking happens both indoor as well as outdoors. It's an affordable tracking solution and it is very portable. So being smaller in size, this can be fitted anywhere in the vehicle. So there is, so if you want to conceal it and keep it where the driver is not able to see it, you can keep it there. And once it is fixed into the car, there is like two different options for this. One is called as the monitoring mode, wherein you call to this particular device here and you can listen what is happening to in and around this particular device. The person who is driving the car is unaware that you are listening to him. So this also acts as a spying device. The other option is like a traditional tracking system. This has got a GPS chipset inside this, which acts as a tracking device. So for this to be tracked, you have to open this particular device. In order to open it, there is a flip system here. So you have to flip this out, and once you flip it out, you will get a option wherein you have to insert the SIM card. It has also got a micro SD card slot wherein you can put the micro SD card into it, and if you want to record the particular movement of the vehicle, you can do it. So this is where you insert the SD card. Say once you inserted the SD card, you can put in the SIM in this, and once you close it, you have to pull it forward. So once you pull it forward, it is locked. So there is also an arrow indicating what is the lock and how to open it. So once you put in the SIM, this is the IMEI number that goes on. So once this particular SIM is inserted, you can put in the battery. So once the battery is kept, basically you have to charge it. So the charging on the initial time, you have to charge continuously for 12 hours. So once it is charged for 12 hours, the battery backup will be for 48 hours. So you charge it for 12 hours and there will be a battery backup for 48 hours. So if you want to have a continuous power supply, then you can directly connect it to a battery charger. So once you insert this, now we go on how to track this particular device. The tracking of this device can happen in three different ways. One, whenever you call to this particular device, you get a location back to your mobile. Where in this one there is no report or anything, it is just to find out the location of the vehicle. The second one is on-demand tracking, wherein you put a card in it with an SMS or through a web, you can raise a tracking request, and the particular tracking request you can also schedule it. Like if your vehicle is moving from 9 to 6 and you want to schedule it for every 1 hour, you can do that particular scheduling from the website, or you can call a call center in order to do that. This is called as on-demand tracking. The other one is live tracking. Live tracking is the one wherein you connect the thing to the continuous power supply, and every minute it will send a live feed to our server. So online you can monitor where the vehicle is, what is the speed at which it is moving, what is the distance it has covered. The distance would be an approximate distance, which is a line distance, straight line distance from one point to another point. The live tracking works only when the device is outdoor, and the GSM based tracking works for on-demand tracking. In order to perform the tracking activities, there is a $499 subscription for this particular device, which you have to purchase in order to start the tracking. If you want to avail the free tracking service, there is an activation fee in order to activate this particular device for the free tracking. In the free tracking, you can call to this particular device and get the location back on your mobile. So this is what is the affordable tracking system that SatNav has come out with. It's an affordable tracking system and the smallest tracking device with which has a multiple usage. In order to buy this particular SatGuide tracking, you have to either visit our website www.satguide.in or visit the nearby store, or you can as well call our call center in order to place the order.